everyone, Happy New Year. Now we're reviewing Hello Kitty Light Up Gummies and Barbie Gummies and Finn and Jake Biscuits and Disney Princess Chocolate and Sprinkles Stick that you eat. Remember the chocolate. What should we choose first? How about this one? I will leave last the princess. Okay. Oh wait. Here's the box and why it's lights up. I'm gonna do it. Okay. This is the side. And this is the down. This is the other side, and this is one too. Yeah, that's the one. Is there sticky still? Oh wait, there's still sticky. Okay, I'm just gonna remove it. I just removed the sticky tape, the other sticky tape here. Okay. There's leftovers. Don't tell me. Oh, it comes with a tweezer. Cool. It comes with tweezers. So you can just. This is the candy. See? And this is the tweezers. This is the tweezers. Now I know how it lights because of the tweezers. Okay, now we're good. Here's the decoration. There's a line here and another line here, and this is the thing. Here's the thing. Now I'm gonna try how to light it. Okay, there, I light it. That's good. This is how it looks. And remember, this one lights up because of this one. It lights up. See? See? It lights up. No way. Okay. This is how to light up. Okay. The next one. This is the next one. Okay. I thought there was a coating, but first I'm gonna show you this. Okay. Here's the doggy at the back. Okay, wait. Here's the pull strip. I opened it now. Now, just gonna. Okay, what shape is this? Why is it? Oh, it's lips shape. See? Yeah. Here's the Barbie shape. They're so delicious. There's a Barbie shape, and I thought I seen heart shape with Barbie. Just gonna pour it out. Okay, so I can find it more easier. Oops. Here's all I thought I see a heart shape. Okay. It's effective too to other gummies. Wait, here. See? It lights. See? It lights! It lights! This one is the Finn and Jake. This is the Finn and Jake milk chips. It's time for the Finn and Jake milk it looks. It's just been cut without some frosting, but I think it still tastes good. Oh wait, I just dropped it. It's too slippery. Here's what it looks like now. It's just cutouts. Let's try and taste it now. This is one of the cute ones. This is the one. This one I got. Okay. They just taste like the same. This is just one. Just taste it now for the finished. Okay, the princess. The Disney princess. The dogs. This is what it looks like. I just pour some of it. It's just. What did I? Here's what it looks like. Now let's taste how it tastes. If it tastes yummy. I think so. Gonna do it. You want some? See you next gift tags. And see you next taste.